Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to my live. I'm here every single day doing live trades, showing you guys how I make money daily. Please make sure to give me a follow, join the Discord link in my bio, get access to a ton of information and knowledge, and it's a great place to hang out and learn without having to pay anything. We are watching BTC USD looking for a short position right now. We are trading on TradeXN is the name of the broker. We're using range bars up here. That's what you're looking at. Also using RSI and the PSAR as part of our trading strategy. As always, we're only using 1% of our accounts, using stop losses and take profits, protecting our capital at all times.
Trade down now, BTC USD. Trade down now on BTC USD.
Trade down now on BTC USD. Those are the audio signals here coming from those range bars. Again, using that as part of our trading strategy here. We have cryptos, stocks, forex, and indices again on TradeXN. So there's lots you can trade. This is derivative trading. It is not futures or options. So I come on here to talk to new traders and guys looking for a new edge, trying to figure out maybe what it is they could possibly be doing wrong in their trading. Part of that the mistakes that are made is people they end up risking way too much of their accounts. Again, that's why we only use 1% when we're trading to protect our capital, because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. They lack consistency with their trading as well, because they're always changing direction, trying something new, and not sticking with anything. They trade with emotions. Emotions play a really big part in trading. In order to get rid of that, we use stop loss and take profit. So we always know the most that we're willing to risk in a trade, and then the goal of what we're trying to make every day as well. And then they trade out of boredom as well. So they'll trade even when the market is flat, and you don't want to be doing that. You only want to be trading when there's movement. As you can see here on the 5-minute time frame that we're currently on right now, it's not moving a whole lot right now. I am looking to try and catch a short position if it breaks out here below 51,505. Because unless we get a breakout, it's not worth it. It could just end up staying in a sideways pattern. So like I said, it's always about risk management and watching what you're doing. So we use the RSI, looking to see if it's going to break below the 50 here. If it's above 70, it's overbought. If it's under like 30 or 25, it's oversold. So you want to be going the opposite direction, because that's the way the market's going to start moving. As you see up here, we're watching BTC, again, USD, looking at watching that short position. It was in a downtrend, had a pullback, and is continuing down here. So we're waiting to see if the PSAR is going to go on top, saying that we are continuing a downtrend. That's what we're looking for, and matching that up with the RSI breaking under the 50. So if we put all that together, then we have a solid direction of which way the market is going, and that's when I'd be jumping into a trade. But again, we're waiting until then. Again, to everyone who's just joining, welcome to my live. Like I said, feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Like I said here on the range bars, we have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. So we have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and XRP. On the indices, we have gold and oil, which I trade gold decently often. Then we have Dow Jones, the Russell, and NASDAQ, which will be opening up here in like a half an hour. Stocks I'm having an issue with right now. I'm still working that out. And then on Forex, I usually trade EU or USD, but we have the NZD, USD, AUD, USD, JPY, and the GBP. So there's lots to trade. Again, the range bars here are free. They don't cost anything. They're in the link in my bio, so you can get them there.
Trade up now on ETH, USD.
Trade up now on ETH, USD. Again, this audio signal here on the range bars. So you can get them in the link in my bio under Linktree, or you can go to futurecapitaltrading.net and you can get them there as well. If you guys could please hit that follow button up there, it does help out my algorithm. I would appreciate that for TikTok. All right, so like I said, we're watching BTC USD, trying to catch a trade. We do, again, a 1-to-1 ratio when we are trading. So I do 50 to 100 points up and 50 to 100 points down. And once we put our trade in, we just leave it using that stop loss and take profit to protect our capital. Also gets rid of stress and anxiety and all that stuff because we already know what we're willing to risk in our trades, and it really makes a big difference at the end of the day how our trades go. The range bars also, they have a 61% win rate. They've been back tested like 50 years. So again, BTC here, so we had a downtrend, we had this reversal, right? Because it's like more than 2 or 3 bars, and now we're starting to get a red bar again. Each one of these bars is worth 20 points, so we're looking for about 10 bars for a 50-point trade, 20 bars for a 100-point trade. So we want a complete bar here, which looks like we're starting to get. There's 1, 2, 3, so it's starting to again trend down. And we're watching just to see if that PSAR is going to flip. See if it will give us that continuation that is going to move down. But again, it has to break out. I have a line drawn here showing that we are currently averaging up. But we want to break out here below 51,505, again on the 5-minute time frame. Again, good morning, you guys. How are you guys doing? Ty, Nah, bro, Angel, how are you guys doing? C, welcome to my live. Russ, man, Skinny, Mustafa, Nachos, 21. Welcome you guys to my live. Again, if you guys could hit my like button, that would really be great. So we're sitting at 1 right now. That would help out my algorithm. I would appreciate that. All right, trade up now on BTC USD. Again, it's those audio signals that come with the range bars. Like I said, they are free to use. Just off my streaming service here. You can get them by going to the link in my bio, or you can go to futurecapitaltrading.net and you can get them there. Again, it's crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. All right, hopefully we'll get into a short position here on BTC, but we'll see what it does because it may end up going up. Like I said, you never know what the market's going to do. Again, that's why we put those stop losses and take profit in place. Again, we're trading on TradeXN. Here is the name of the broker, right? And then the range bars. Again, using futurecapitaltrading.net is the name of those range bars there that you can go and get. Again, it just takes an email to sign up. It doesn't cost anything. Also, we do have the Discord that I'm trying to grow. That's in the link in the bio also, but we're trying to get to 100 members this year. The Discord is free. Also, it doesn't cost anything. I just wanted to have a community of like-minded individuals where people can come and learn how to trade for free. Again, it's all that stuff is absolutely free. I have a whole bunch of training videos in here on how to use the range bars, how to use TradeXN. So I set all this stuff up for you guys to make it as easy as possible. How to install TradeXN, depositing and withdrawing, setting up the charts that I have, adding markets to TradeXN, how to set up your stop loss, your take profit, using the range bars here as well. I have videos on that, how to read all the indicators. Again, multiple videos on using the range bars and what they're all about. And if you're in the United States, you have to use a VPN, so I advise Proton. VPN is what I use. So all that is in the link in my bio there. All right, let's see. Hopefully we can get in on trade on BTC. But like I said, it's really going sideways right now. We can take a look though. Maybe we can jump into gold or something as well, as that's moving as well. Possibly EU or USD. We can watch those too. Let's see. That one had a huge drop the other day on the 13th. It's been moving sideways ever since. But you want to look for 50 to 100 point trades. Again, so we'll see if we can end up catching maybe a, let's see. It's currently in a downtrend right now. It's below just broke under the 50 on the RSI. The PSAR is on the bottom here. If we go to the range bars as well, make sure those are live. Make sure your audio signal is on always too. When you're using these here over in the left hand corner, just highlight over them so you get your live button is red and then your sound is on.
Trade down now. BTC USD. Trade down now.
Trade down now on BTC USD. So gold is showing, is trying to pull up. But again, with the PSAR saying that we are in a downtrend, we'll have to kind of watch this because this could just be a pullback, which is what I would assume, that we're going to continue down. But again, we'll keep an eye on that. All right, let's see. Yeah, we may end up jumping into, let's see, let me put this line in here. Yeah, so if we can break this last low here of 1989.09, we may jump into the short with gold, XAU USD. Again, it's on TradeXN is the name of the broker. No trading fees, low spreads, and no commissions. If you do use TradeXN, I do get a commission for having people go to TradeXN. Again, it doesn't affect you guys, but it just what helps me out. So again, you guys can check all that out. If you're in the US, you have to use a VPN to use TradeXN. If you have any questions, please hit me up. I'm always willing to answer questions for you. All right, let's see. So gold again still moving down, but it's gonna have to cross that 1989 line. Let's go to URUSD. See how the market's looking on that this morning. Again, trading on the 5-minute time frame. If you guys could hit that like button too, that would be very helpful. As we're sitting on 1 like right now, so if you hit the screen a few times, that would be cool. All right, let's see. EURUSD. What do we got going on here? So it's still trending up. It's going to have to break some of these trends this morning. What was that last low right there? So yeah, it's going to have to break through this 1.07054 if we're going to do a short. Otherwise, it's going to have to come up and break this 107.141. All right, good morning, you guys. Welcome all to my live. Anybody who is new, feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Like I said, it's all about risk management, right? Protecting your capital. It's really important to remember that trading is all about just that, is risk management. And the way that we manage our risk is by making sure we're always risking less than 1% of our account. So anytime I'm trading, that's all I'm doing. It's about 1% always, because you can always end up losing a trade. You don't want to blow your whole entire account. So protecting your capital and trading over time is where you're going to actually end up doing well. Again, the range bars have 61% win rate, which means so you're winning more than having losses. And so over time, you'll start gaining momentum and really start building your capital. And so every time you're trading on those wins, you're now higher than you were before, building up again on your account. So that's what it's really about at the end of the day, is protecting your capital and just trading one trade at a time. So we do a 1-to-1 ratio when we are trading, right? So that's 50 points up, 50 points down. So that 1-to-1 ratio. Again, always using that risk management. All right, let's see, EURUSD. Make sure that is live as well. And audio. So we're bouncing back and forth right now with green and red. So we're looking to have a solid direction. Like I said, it has to break below 0.07054 if it's going to continue down. Otherwise, it's going to bounce off here and continue on up. Let's see. So I have all those set this morning. Again, we'll see if this is going to break out. What I got for BTC. All right, so BTC just got the PSAR here, which is on top. Like I was saying, it's breaking below the 50. So if it comes down here a little bit more, it's got to break that 51505. Since we have movement, we're going to watch BTC USD here and see if it'll do anything. Again, welcome to my live view, guys. I'm here trading daily. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. If you could, please hit that like button. That does help out my algorithm. I would appreciate that greatly. Alright, so we're going to watch BTC USDs. It's got the most movement right now. Again, but it's going to have to break this 51505.
Trade up now on ETH USD. Trade up now ETH USD.
Trade up now on Ethereum. We just got that reversal here on Ethereum. Sees a long downtrend and it has a reversal there. So that is saying that it's pulling up. That may end up pulling back. If we go to Ethereum, it's still trending up. Like I said, the PSARC is still on top. We're on bottom. So it says that we're still in a upward momentum. We'd have to look to catch a reversal. So that's just currently a well, yeah, that's saying that we're moving up right now. So, and that's what it's doing at the moment too. So that would be the direction. But again, we're watching BTC USD right now. Like I said, you can see how it had reversed and is shorting right now again. So that's what we're watching, seeing if it will break this 5105. This is all about patience as well. You have to wait. You can't rush a trade. You have to let it play out, show you what it's going to do before you jump into it. If you rush it, there's a really high chance that you'll just lose that position. So again, it's beneficial to wait. It is really just a waiting game and looking for that perfect trade, getting that extra edge that you need to make your profit. So we're starting to get that a pullback here on BTC USD. We'll see if that continues up or if it will continue shorting. So again, we'll have to play this out. Like I said, the PSAR is on top. Saying that we are going to start into a downtrend pattern. Thank you guys for the likes. I do appreciate you guys moving that up for me.
Trade down now ETH USD. Trade down now on ETH USD.
Trade down now on ETH. So that might start reversing on Ethereum. We'll see how that one ends up playing out too. But like I said, right now we're watching BTC USD. The stock market opens here in about 8 minutes. We do have a trade going with Tesla in a long position. We'll see how that one plays out as it's been shorting. All right, let's see here. Again, we are on TradeXN. If you're wondering what the name of the broker is, no trading fees and low spreads. We have cryptos, stocks, forex, and indices. This is derivative trading. It is not options or futures. Just for anybody that was curious about that. But the reason I come live is because I want to be able to learn and be very consistent. And I'm doing really well with the strategy here that I'm using, that I'm showing you guys. And I just want to be able to share it with you. A lot of other people, they're always trying to make money off of just off their Discord, or say if you join my trading whatever, then you'll make money, but you have to pay so much a month or whatever it is. I don't do that. Everything I'm showing is absolutely free, as the internet and everything else is free. You can learn so much already. Anybody who can actually make it doesn't need to charge, right? Because they're making money on their trading. Anything above that, they're just trying to get your money. So again, follow along. Like I said, the Discord is free. There's no gimmicks there. Doesn't cost anything. So again, I'm just trying to have a community with like-minded individuals that like to trade as family and friends. Usually don't like to talk about crypto and stocks. It bores them, or they don't understand it. So having somewhere that you can go to learn is what it's really all about. And if you can trade as a team, you can definitely benefit instead of just trying to do it by yourself. A group is always better in something like this, for sure. All right, so we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. Again, on BTC USD, looking to have it break this 5105 and break this upward pattern. So we'll see if it was going to end up shorting or not. All right, let's see what is going on with EURUSD. So it's still in that sideways pattern right now. And then gold.
Trade up now on ETH USD.
Trade up now on ETH.
USD.
And gold is still bouncing, hasn't broken this line yet, so we're again still keeping an eye on that. And then BTC again in the 5-minute time frame here, seeing if we're going to get in kind of a breakout. Is we had one earlier. What was that? Down around right here, and that was around 49,946. Moved all the way up to about 51. Just about a little over 5,100, 51,000. So again, Bitcoin's really been moving. These jumps have just been crazy.
Trade up now, GBP USD.
So I would expect a little bit of a pullback here on BTC after jumping $1,000. So we'll see if we can just catch a little 100-point trade is all that we're looking for. Hey Pat, what's going on, man? Welcome to my live. Hey Jay, what's going on? McStash, welcome. I Love Country, again, welcome you guys. Hilltop Viewer, Austin McKinney, again, welcome you guys. Hey, thanks for the follow, you guys. Really do appreciate that for sure. McStash, it's funny. Lion Faith Podcast, welcome. Hey, Greg Johnson, Only One, Julie Looser, welcome to my live, you guys. Hey, Austin, what's up? Thoughts on futures today? I don't trade futures or options. This is derivative trading. I wish I could help you out there, yeah, but I don't do futures. All right, again, so we're just watching BTC USD. Still just trending sideways. There's definitely a lot of resistance here at the 5,100 or 51,659 is where we're at right now. So it's definitely pulling sideways after that big jump. Really not surprising. This has been moving up so fast. Yeah, you're welcome. So like I said, it's really important too to understand that anyone who really wants to make it in trading will need at least $10,000 to $50,000. The reason that I say this is we make small percentage gains on a regular basis, and 1% on 10,000 is $100, right? So I'm only doing 1% on my trades. If you're practicing and testing out, it's good to start out around $1,000 to $5,000 because you can do a 0.01 volume trade. So you're only trading like pennies to dollars, and you can get better at it with your trading. And then as you understand it and are making profit, then you can always move up. If you're wanting to make a couple $100 a day, you're going to need at least $10,000 to $50,000. That's just the way it is. The stock market is a rich man's game, as I like to say. So it just takes money to make money. If you're looking to make a couple of dollars, then that's okay too. But if you're wanting to make hundreds of dollars, it's not going to happen with a couple $100. It definitely takes a lot more than that, just to be real with you. Again, welcome to anybody who's just joining my live. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Like I said, we're watching TradeXN, or watching BTC USD here. Looking to see if we could catch a short position. PSAR, here's the dots, and they are on top, saying that we're in a downward trend. The RSI is right around 50, but it's starting to show it's moving up, so we'll see. And then the range bars here are in an upward position as well, so it's just bouncing back and forth right now. This last high was like 51,776 or so. 785. So it's going to have to break out of that, otherwise it's just trending sideways. Again, just looking for a 50 to 100 point trade. Hey Joseph Bush, what is going on? What trading platform do you currently use, or you suggest a new trader could do well with? So I am trading on TradeXN. Is this right here? So that is in the link in my bio. You guys, you can check that out. Just go to the link in my bio. You'll see Linktree. Click on that. You can go to TradeXN. It has cryptos, it has stocks, forex, and indices. It has no trading fees. It has really low spreads as well. That is why I use it. Again, it gives you options to trade, not just cryptos, but stocks and forex. So I trade gold a lot. I trade like EUR USD for forex. You can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. So there's a lot to definitely choose from. So I definitely advise that or recommend it. And you can, if you're in the United States, though, you have to use a VPN. TradeXN is an offshore broker. I do use Proton VPN, and you can use that. That is free to use too. It doesn't cost anything. Just like the range bars here, I've made everything as free as possible for myself, let alone for anybody else. Because trading can get expensive. So if you can cut costs, then that's what I do.
Trade up now.
So my trading platform, TradeXN, has low spreads and no trading fees. So I'm saving money there. You have the range bars that are on my streaming service. Those don't cost anything. It takes your email to sign up. And then Proton VPN is free to use. If you use like the Netherlands or Japan, I think is the only two that you can use for free. Otherwise, you do have to pay for it. But if you do use TradeXN, please use the link provided as that. I do get a commission off of that, so I would appreciate that for sure. Oh, what is going on? All right, what's happening right now? All right, so it looks like Tesla, the stock market just opened. Yep, let's go see what. Okay, wait, what's going on here? BTC USD that is actually breaking out here, so we may end up jumping into this one. Yeah, it's above. All right, yeah, we may end up just doing a long position hunt here on BTC USD. Switch that over.
USD JPY.
Trade up now on USD JPY. All right, let's see. Yeah, we're going to jump into this trade. All right. So we're going to jump into the long position here. Okay, we're going to set, like I said, you always set your stop loss. All right, so we have minus 50 there. We are in profit right now on Bitcoin. Congratulations if you guys are following along. Again, we'll hit $50 there. Okay. So now we have that stop loss and take profit in place, just like I was saying. That's what it's all about, right? So again, we're using the range bars, using the PSAR, using the RSI, all telling us the direction of the market. So again, we're in profit up $20 already. Now moving all up, we will see if we hit that $50 trade. There we go. It's at 38. See, the market just opened. It's already flying. So again, we will see what happens here. Again, we always have that stop loss and take profit in place. So just in case it goes against me, I already know what the potential risk is every time that I'm trading. And then it gets rid of emotions and all that because I already know what the chance was. And again, I'm only using 1% of my account, right? So it's not huge. It's not a huge risk to my whole entire account. It's small losses of what you're really trying to do. Again, because the market can go against you. So we'll see how this plays out. Like now it's starting to pull back. So they may end up knocking me out, and that's okay. We'll just look for the next jump. We'll see what happens though. I said it just opened. It's definitely really moving right now. All right, what happened? So it just knocked us out. It pulled back farther than I thought it was definitely going to. It does happen, not a huge deal. We'll just look for that next potential jump and wait now for it to come back out because, as you see, it had decided to change its mind. Again, we have the PSAR here in place. Again, it's showing it's a long position, but we'll see if it's just going to continue going sideways. We are almost in prime. We were up in profit, almost hit our our mark, and then it pulled back. So like I said, sometimes it does happen. You can't control that, but you can control your potential losses. Again, that's why we put that in place. So all right, let's go over to
Trade up now, BTC USD.
and now it says trade up now BTC USD. So it's going to try and make probably another run for it again. All right, let's go check out Tesla real quick, and then we'll come back to Bitcoin. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. What's going on here? All right, so we're getting some movement this morning
Trade down now.
off Tesla. It's definitely up above 75 here on the RSI. So we'll see if it comes back up, because I had bought in at like 193. So it's dropped some. There's a $50 trade on this one. I definitely give myself a bigger spread with Tesla. So
Trade up now on USD.
we'll see how
Trade
that
up
ends up
now,
playing out.
USD.
All right, so see, it pulled back just enough, and now it looks like Bitcoin is trying to still move up. It just, even with the 100 points, it was just too close. So I may end up trying to jump back into this again.
Trade down now. USD CAD.
All right, let's see what it's going to do here. So we'll wait and see if we can catch some pips here if this pulls back just a little bit. Just so I can save a few pips, which can end up making or breaking your trade sometimes. I probably got into the other one just a hair bit too late, and that's why I got knocked out. So again, we're only doing 50 to 100 point trades here. When it's really active, I do 100 because it can move so fast. See, I would have made it. That just would have hit, just about would have hit my profit if I wouldn't have gotten knocked out. So
Trade up now. USD JPY.
all right, so there's all right, a little bit of a pullback.
Trade down now. Euro USD.
All right, we're gonna jump into that and ride that one out. All right, same thing. Let's see. All right, $50. So it's a 100-point trade there. All right, and then we'll set our take profits. There we go. All right, we'll see how that one plays out. Again, you guys, welcome to my live. I'm here trading every single day, making trades. Again, using risk management, only trading 1% of our account. Using stop losses and take profit, again, to protect our capital from any big potential losses. We're currently trading BTC USD in a long position here. As we just start breaking out, we have the PSAR, which is the dots here you see, as they are on the bottom, meaning that we are trading up. We have the RSI broke above the 50, saying that we are trending up as well, and then we have the range bars saying that we are moving up as well. So again, we use all that to make an informed decision on our trading. So we were just up to 38. It was almost there. We'll see if this will continue up. Again, we have that stop loss and take profit in place to protect my account, and also I'm not worried about my trade going up as well, because you can end up missing it if you didn't hit the button fast enough, because it moves so fast. But if you already have that take profit in place, if it strikes it, it's going to sell automatically. I don't even have to do anything else. So, all right, looks like Bitcoin is pulling back again. We'll see if it pulls up, but again, you never know, like I said, what the market's going to do. But it's definitely in an uptrend pattern right now. There's just a lot of movement. So, well, again, we'll see how that ends up playing out. All right. Again, thank you guys for the likes. If you could, please hit that like button. It does help out my algorithm. If you could punch the screen a few times, that would be terrific.
Trade up now. USD CAD.
All right, trade up now, USD CAD. Again, this is the audio signals. Let's go see what why that's playing out. we can go to gold. What's gold doing? 5-minute time frame. Again, gold is starting to move up as well. The PSAR flipped, so that may end up going up as well. What was that last high? Last high was 1992.19. So we're going to want to break above that. Let's see if that's going to continue up. Well, honestly, the last high was back here, 1992.98. So it's going to have to break out of there if it's going to continue up. Nope, lost that other trade on BTC. Man, the thing is not playing around today. All right. Again, welcome to my live, you guys. This is the only one, if you do end up losing trades, you only want to do a couple. You never want a revenge trade. You just look for the next potential trade to get into, and then you just move forward. So
Trade up now, BTC USD.
trade up now on
Trade up
BTC
now
again.
on
So it's
USD.
pulling this really tight movement right now, obviously.
Trade down now, BTC USD. Trade
And
down
then switch
now
position,
on BTC.
trade down now on BTC.
JP USD.
And the market's moving now. Gee whiz, okay. EUR, it just broke out as well. Everything was moving up this morning. Alright, what was EUR? EUR is... What was EUR?
Trade up now. USD JPY.
I thought EUR was 0.24. Is that 0.24? Yep. Alright, 0.24. So let's see. On EUR USD, RSI is up. The PSAR is up. It broke out of this last sideways trend here. So we're going to jump into a trade here with EUR USD. Yeah, and that is trending up as well. Alright. So same thing. We're going to put in our stop loss and our take profits. Oh, that's right. It's 25. Alright, and then we do our take
Trade
profit.
up now on ETH USD.
And that is
Trade up
25.
now, ETH USD.
Alright, so there we go. So we put that stop loss and take profit into place. Again, using that risk management. Again, we're only trading that 1% of our accounts now and no more than that. Because you don't want to blow your account, and you end up doing that by using a smaller percent, only using 1% of our account. Hey, Pop-Up, what's going on? I am using TradeXN is the name of the broker here. If you look here, there's TradeXN. There's no trading fees and low spreads. They have cryptos, stocks, forex, and indices. All that is in the link in my bio, so you can check out that.
BTC USD. Trade down now on BTC USD.
All right, EUR USD again is in a long position here, looking to make $25 here off EUR USD. Like I said, the PSAR is on the bottom, saying that we're trending up.
Trade down now.
The RSI is above the 50, saying that we're trending up, and then we had the range bars also saying that we were trending up as well. So all that is giving us an informed decision on what the market is currently doing. Again, we're only trading off the 5-minute time frame here, looking to make 50 to 100 point trades. And the range bars only move off of points and not time. So they're not time based. They're not like the regular candles here that must move because 5 minutes went by. The range bars don't do that. They only move off points. And this is again derivative trading. It's not futures or options. Oops. All right, let's see. So we're watching that right now. Let's see how that does play out. All right. If you guys could hit that like button, I would appreciate that. We're sitting at 27 likes right now. It's so horrible. All right. Let's see here. Again, we'll see how this trade plays out with EUR USD. Again, we're having that stop loss and take profit in place. Again, to protect our capital, only doing
Trade up now, BTC
a
USD. Trade up now on BTC USD.
Only doing like a $25 trade is what we're looking at. Only using 1% of our account when we are trading. Hey Dre, thanks for the follow. Do appreciate you. Again, if you guys could hit that like button as well, that would be great. It does help out my algorithm with TikTok. All right, let's see what's going on here. All right, so we're about to be back into profit here on EURUSD. Again, just looking for a $25 trade. Again, we use that stop loss to protect our capital, and we put that take profit in place too, so we're not getting greedy, or just able to have it automatically sell for us as well when it hits that take profit line. I don't have to sit here and constantly watch it. I can go look at other trades and whatnot throughout my trading day. All right, so we are already in that trade there, about to break into profit. Let's see, what is Bitcoin doing? So Bitcoin did pull back. So we were trying to catch a trade there, so it did break out, as you can see here, and then pulled back. So we got knocked out of that trade. It pulled back into this support line, resistance line that is here. So again, we'll have to wait for the next breakout. I have to move this up now a little bit. All right, there we go. So we'll have to see if it'll break out of that. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. Like I said, we are trading on TradeXN is the name of the broker. We have no trading fees, low spreads. We have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. Let's see, what is... Again, these are... just very linear bars here called range bars. They only move off of points and not time. Each bar is worth 20 points, so we're looking for like a 10 bar trade to make a 50 point trade. Otherwise it's 20 bars for a 100 point trade. Hey Greg Johnson, so each range bar is worth 20 points. For a full bar is 20 points, so it takes about 10 to get to that 50 points overall to make it a full 50 point trade. So again, these are free to use, you guys. They're in the link in my bio. They don't cost anything. They're just off my streaming service.
Trade down.
Is it a bot? No, this isn't a bot.
Trade down now on XRP USD.
It's just showing the movement of the market, so it only moves off points, not time. It's not a bot, and it doesn't trade for you.
Trade up now.
It looks futuristic. Yeah, it's not futuristic. You can look them up. They're called range bars. I said you can get these. They're in the link in my bio. They're free to use. They're just off my streaming service. But these only move off points and not time. It doesn't matter that 5 minutes went by. It doesn't care about all this chaos. It's only moving off the movement, off points or off pips. That's the only reason that it moves. It doesn't care how much time has gone by. That is the biggest difference in my trading strategy as well. So again, you can get all these by looking, going to the link in my bio. Oh, thank you guys for the likes. I really do appreciate that. We were 27 and 1 for a while, last half hour. So thank you for those likes. Do appreciate that. All right, so we're in a trade right now with EURUSD for a long position here, waiting to see if it's going to continue up or not. We're in Tesla as well. Tesla looks like they're still... Let's go to 5 minute. Yeah, so they're pulling back again. I was really hoping Tesla was going up. We do have that set at $50. So we're still pulling back, which actually kind of surprises me for Tesla, but they've kind of been having some bad news lately, so I guess that's what's coming out of it. All right, so we're still moving up here on EURUSD, about to break back into profits. All right, and then BTC USD, yeah, still trending sideways. So not getting a lot today. we'll see. Again, BTC's been moving up so much. We're at 51,000. Like the last month, we've jumped a lot. So again, we'll see how today plays out. Okay, 2Ace, what's going on? Welcome to my live. I will be jumping off here in just a minute. So I still have a 9 to 5 to go to, of course. You can keep tabs on me though, so you know when I'm coming live. If you give me a follow, also you can join the Discord link in my bio. We do have that too. It's absolutely free. It doesn't cost anything. I'm not selling anything, so you can check out that as well. Just want to have a community of like-minded individuals that like to trade. A lot, like I said, friends and family don't really like to talk about crypto or stocks as they don't understand it. If you join the Discord, though, it's just a good place that we can go and discuss that stuff. And if you need help, you can always ask, as well as we have a good group of guys willing to help you out. So, again, check all that stuff out. Hey, Dre, the name of the indicator right here, these are called range bars. They're in the link in my bio, so you can check that out. All right, we're going to give this one more try here on BTC USD this morning. All right, I'm going to put that take profit in place.
Trade down
All right,
now.
there we go.
Euro USD.
Yeah, so it's in the link in my bio. These have been back tested 50 years. They have a 61% win rate. All right, so we go. So we're in profit, up $15. We'll see how that plays out. All right, let's see what we got going on. So EUR USD, that is pulled back. So we'll see if that continues up. Again, you always want to give yourself enough room, clearance, for the market to breathe. And then we got Tesla. Tesla's still, just pulling back. Just going to let that go. All right, so Bitcoin is still moving up there. Hopefully we will hit our target this time. Again, just looking for 50 to 100 point moves. So we're up $31, $34. We're almost there. I probably should have jumped into that just a hair bit sooner. But I was talking to you guys.
Trade down now. BTC
All
USD.
right.
Trade down now on BTC USD.
Trade down now, BTC USD. So now it's pulling back again.
Trade down now. ETH USD. Trade down now on ETH USD.
All right. All right, what time is it? All right, yeah. I got to jump off of here. I do got to go get ready for work, but you guys can give me a follow. Again, join the Discord link in my bio. Again, you can get the range bars for free. They don't cost anything. They're in the link in my bio, or you can go to futurecapitaltrading.net and you can get them there for free as well. It just takes your email to sign up. And then this is TradeXN is the name of the platform I am trading on. They have cryptos, stocks, forex, and indices as
Trade
well.
up now on BTC USD.
So you can check all that out again in the link in my bio. Please use my link as I do get a commission. I would appreciate that as well. Every little bit does, of course, help. All right, you guys, I'm going to jump off. Join the Discord, and we can always talk offline as well. So I am in there all the time. All right, you guys, have a great day, and I'll see you all later.